video, let us introduce ourselves to you.
My name is Febrian Kapupadang.
My name is Angkit.
My name is Puja Pasolang.
My name is Adelena Sutamarangka. Here we want to show you a video how to make putu ayu cake. Happy watching! First, beat the eggs until foamy in the mixer container. After the eggs foamy, add the sugar and then shake again until fluffy. It's about 10 minutes. After that, add the coconut milk slowly while stirring. Don't deflate the air Then add the flour into the egg mixture and then stir until smooth. Pandan pasta nanti. Then add the pandan paste and stir again until all the ingredients are done. Then spread the putu ayu mold with oil. And then arrange the grated coconut and the mold with a little pressure. After that, pour the mixture into the condensed milk.